Hi everybody, Cynthia with SwanSoapandSuch. So I thought I'd bring you along to see where I'm at. My battery died, so we're back here. We're getting a little bit of cooking happening along this edge. We came to tray, so we're gonna let this cook and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I brought you back because this batter is moving very fast. And it will volcano in a few minutes, so I didn't want you to miss it. It's really moving fast. Shouldn't be moving that fast, but it is. I don't know. Let's see. Let's watch it. Can you see it? Moving. Maybe we'll speed it up and we can see it really moving. Oh, holy cow. Look at that thing go. let's not forget this. My 4042 lavender with some kale and clay in it. And I'm going to mix that into my purple. Let me move the molds out of the way. Okay, I got ahead of myself here. Okay. Yeah, you can see okay. We'll put some into the lavender color too. Let's just get this mixed up. Okay. Oh my goodness, that smells so lovely. I didn't like lavender at first. It took me a while, but now I do. I like it. Not a super lot. It's not my favorite. Push it around. That looks good. None for the top. We have other plans for the top. Now we're trying to get them evenly distributed. This is always a tricky thing, but I'm sure we'll be fine. We're going to swirl it, so I'm going to bang it down and do all that stuff. So we just want to get it all in. I need my spatula again. There we go. Let me get this. Fold all over. Alright, here we go. It's in there. Not much left behind at all. Okay, so we'll put this aside over here. And let's see what kind of a tool we can use here. And so, this one I made for this, so we'll just use this one. So we'll push it down, and then we'll do a little swirly gig. It's very thick, so you can't really mess it up too much. Okay, let's leave that in there. We'll go over here. Ooh, that's hot, hot, hot. Get it off me. Okay, good. Okay, we'll do this one. Pushing it down, and then doing a swirl. Okay. Alright. Now these bars come out square, but I am planning on cutting them down to tall and skinnies because I fit in my box. Let me bang these down. Okay. Delightful. Scrape the edge. Scrape the edge. Okay. Now. Okay, we're going to put some glitter on there. Lots of glitter. I'm going to first start off with this purple glitter. So delightful. Got it covered. You can, I don't know. The camera never does a very good job of showing us off. So if you want to see this lovely, lovely glitter in person, you'll need to order a bar. And since this is hot process, this won't take very long to cure. I like 2 to 4 weeks. Usually about 2 or 3 weeks is good. I want to get lots on here and get it covered. I want to cover it. Okay. Oh. Pow pow lavender, y'all. That's it. Camera doesn't even do it justice. Beautiful. Okay, it's still fluid. It's going to come out if I turn it up again. So I won't do that. So y'all, thanks for watching. You have a great day. God bless you. And we'll see you at the cut. Okay, we're here to cut this beautiful lavender soap. Let's see, get it out of the mold. I just let gravity do the work. Give it a little nudge. Oop. Okay. And here she is. Yay. And I have the other one. It's so pretty, even if it's a rough top. And we'll get this one out of the frame. And we'll loosen the sides. It is a little sticky yet. Give it a little nudge. Okay. I'll lift it up. Here's our second loaf. Lovely. And we'll clean it up and we'll cut it in a few minutes. Beautiful swirls inside. Let's see what we've got. Lovely, lovely.